The tech world is abuzz with rumors and leaks surrounding the upcoming OnePlus 13, the next flagship smartphone from OnePlus. Several leaks and reports have given us a sneak peek into the specs and features of the device. Let's dive into the details, discussing all the leaks and features we know so far. One of the most significant upgrades in the OnePlus 13 is expected to be the processor. Leaked by Digital Chat Station, the OnePlus 13 will reportedly feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor. This chipset is built on 3nm technology, offering a significant boost in performance over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 found in the OnePlus 12. According to a Geekbench benchmark leak, which surfaced on Weibo, the OnePlus 13 scored an impressive 10,000 points in multi-core performance and 3,236 points in single-core. This leap in power could put the OnePlus 13 ahead of the iPhone 16, which is expected to be powered by Apple's A18 series chip, making it a fierce competitor in the smartphone market. In terms of RAM, OnePlus is taking things to the next level. The base model of the OnePlus 13 will reportedly start with 16 gigabytes of RAM, a notable increase from the 12 gigabytes base RAM in the OnePlus 12. This should offer a smoother multitasking experience, allowing users to switch between apps without experiencing any lag. Another exciting feature is that the OnePlus 13 will come with Android 15 out of the box. Initially, it was expected that Google's Pixel 9 would be the first device to feature Android 15, but OnePlus might just steal the spotlight here. This means users will get the latest Android experience right from the start, with new features and optimizations from Google's operating system. OnePlus is making significant strides in the battery department. Leaks suggest that the OnePlus 13 will come with a 6,000 mAh battery, a jump from the 5,400 mAh battery in the OnePlus 12. The information, shared by Digital Chat Station, highlights that the battery will feature Si-C cells, monocrystalline silicon technology, which is expected to provide higher efficiency while maintaining a slim design. In terms of charging, the OnePlus 13 will continue to support 100-watt wired charging, ensuring quick power-ups when needed. However, Digital Chat Station has also reported that OnePlus may drop wireless charging support for cost-cutting reasons. On the other hand, some conflicting reports suggest that the OnePlus 13 may still feature 50-watt wireless charging. Another of the standout features of the OnePlus 13 is its display. The device is expected to sport a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display with a QHD resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels. According to Yogesh Brar, OnePlus will introduce a micro quad-curved display, meaning the top and bottom edges will be curved, a shift from the more traditional side-curved screens seen in previous models. Another leak from Yogesh Brar hints at a redesigned camera island on the back of the phone. Unlike the OnePlus 12, which placed its cameras on the left side, the OnePlus 13 will feature the camera module in the middle. This could offer a cleaner and more symmetrical look. Furthermore, the OnePlus 13 will feature an ultrasonic under-display fingerprint scanner, which is expected to be faster and more accurate than the optical scanner found in the OnePlus 12. The OnePlus 13 is set to take smartphone photography to the next level. Continuing its partnership with Hasselblad, OnePlus will offer Master Mode, designed to enhance color accuracy and produce more natural-looking images. The primary camera is expected to feature a 50-megapixel Litia sensor with an f1.6 aperture, which should perform better in low-light conditions compared to the 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor found in the OnePlus 12. The phone will also feature a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 64-megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. While there is no official confirmation regarding the OnePlus 13's release date, Leaks from Louis Lee, the president of OnePlus, suggest that the phone will launch sometime in October 2024. This aligns with OnePlus's typical release schedule, as the OnePlus 12 was released in December 2023. The OnePlus 13 is expected to be priced between $800 and $900, depending on the variant and storage options. This pricing strategy seems consistent with OnePlus's tradition of offering flagship specifications at competitive prices. The big question now is whether OnePlus will retain its famous price-to-performance ratio while delivering all these upgrades. Are you excited about the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor? Or perhaps you're looking forward to the new micro quad-curve display? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the OnePlus 13 as we get closer to the official launch.